truly fortunate to have Dr. Ledford as a mentor because of how involved and engaged she is in my work.
Wil's such an amazing student. We actually have quite a history together. Even as an undergrad, he was on several of my research papers.
In Dr. Ledford's lab, we focus on asthma research, but my project specifically focuses on menopause-associated asthma.
It only occurs in a small subset of women, but when it does occur, it's really severe and difficult to treat.
We currently don't have any therapies that are effective for these women. And so they're essentially having problems breathing on a daily basis. I'm trying to figure out why that's happening and what we can do to help these women. It's a very novel field. Anything we discover is new, which is really exciting. So I'm here at least 40 hours a week, if not more, in the lab doing the research.
He recognized the need, and that's a really crucial step for a lot of PhD students. Is sometimes they're doing a project because their mentor told them to, but really recognizing a clinical patient need is like the next step on the journey, and he got to recognize that very early on. So I've been really proud of him. We're really fortunate here at the University of Arizona that the trainees have opportunities to be on some training grants, and we saw announcements for this T32 for aging and inflammation. I said to Wil, I think that you qualify, let me reach out to the program director.
As we get older, we see higher incidences of infection and also higher inflammation throughout the body, often called inflammaging. The grant really focuses on any field of research relating to that.
He was able to put in his letter of intent to study the menopause-onset asthma, which is currently unfunded. So it was really, really important for him to go on this training grant.
It funds me for a whole year of graduate school, and that takes a huge burden off of Dr. Ledford.
Having this grant is really instrumental in his progress through the next step in his life.
She's been an excellent mentor, teaching me how to network and develop new collaborations in science. We've gone to several conferences together to present our research. You know, these are great places to get new ideas, meet new people, form new collaborations, which is really what moves science forward, is collaboration.
Several years ago, he was one of the key speakers at our international conference, and it's really unusual for a graduate student to be selected. It's usually postdocs or faculty. He did a great job. He handled all the questions with poise and grace, and I was really proud of him for that. It was a really good moment as a mentor.
But it's something that Julie's really instilled in me, I think. You can't just hide away in your lab or in your office. It's gonna be a lot more slow going. And so the more you work with other scientists and other people, the better ideas you'll get and the faster you can move forward.